sunken, like a lighthouse to a rapid pirate crew. I end my nomadic sojourn at your orange orchard, inside the elegant canopy of your arms, vestured in your embrace. You fill my sight with the shining of your smiles, smiles that make nights out of timid boys like me. Crossing over the cold ocean to the cave of your clarion, you are the source of emotions, incurable, inevasive, ruthless. Ugembem, I can't move past the vision of our future, carved into the reflection of your eyes, where my days can draw in intoxication, stolen from the swave of your soul. Love for you has possessed me, like vanilla dripping, with fresh, flaming chocolates. Omali Chanwa, the stranger who slaved my soul, colonizing it into a splash within the Biafran pool. Odum Shiroji, I am become a lover because of you, never to live again. I love you.